Hey, when them say Chinese mean a blood clot for true, you know? Watch it big old tear on him shirt and him foot a walk on the ground. And I them make slippers, and I them make clothes and everything. No, Chinese man, you for go, man.
When you hear that, my viewers, Mama said the Chinese them no give away water, ice cement, nor regulars. She say all when them rich, them still a go walk up and down in the old slippers and the tear up clothes them. So no welcome to my channel and welcome to another brawling review. We have that for talk about, so no drop some like on the video. Subscribe to my channel if you no subscribe yet. So here we are going to them people. Ms.WRIGHT, drop out, plus Jamaican Rami Campbell. I go get deport for a thief, close in New York, and war is in the era. Spanglers, YIY versus DRUGZ gun bag them. So before me jump in at the reasoning, I'm making to know where I go on. Pre this.
Yo! Yo, me make the car, me know that. Yo, me a cut, no, bro.
Go to the station, you make a call.
No, you make a call. No, you go to the station. You must go and check the thing. No, brother. No, when you make a problem.
You making a problem.
Viewers, when you see that incident, they wanna just say, squaddy them never had a fair deal with the youth, so you know. Them broke up the youth wicked, you know. Me go show you the next video there, you know, where the youth and the mother do interview on CVM, you know, and I talk about all of this, you know. You see, when squaddy them do the right thing on road, me big them up. Cause when due to Caesar, you have to give to Caesar. And when them fling 9 ball in a some boy head where mash up the country, me rate them for that. Send them a dead house. But you see an incident like this, brother, it never had to reach so far. It's a little 15-year-old this. And the way my son deal with the youth, make the youth a limp on them thing there. My people, check in this. Hear what the youth and his mother say.
This reason.
God know what they're going to do to me if I go down there by myself.
So is it that you are scared?
Exactly. Because them are going to say, me and Rick try for you. One stay and do one bag of things. So, like, them did say me I threaten them. I wasn't threatening anyone. I was just telling them I go call people and make them know what I do.
And when he resisted, the 2 officers reportedly grabbed him. One allegedly used the baton, striking him on the wrist and at his side. His mother had just gotten home from work when she got a panicked call. She rushed to where he was, but by then, the officers had already left.
When you hear that, my viewers, we all are the people them they will always bash the school pitney them. And I say them bad. And I say them disrespectful and them nah no manners. Uno tell me now, whether youth do fi deserve that. Eh? What him do? Just because him say him nah going on a jeep and him nah good on a station, squaddy them a go tear off the youth uniform off him, beat him with baton till him all a limp. See it ya now, the youth and him mother do interview pan CVM, a plan lawsuit. Full time now JCF know for anger certain situation a road. Them youth are school youth, and by the video where me see, me never see the youth a go on with no bag of F-rip on the video. You hear that? When we see JCF do the good a road, you know, we big up JCF and highlight JFF, you know. Cause we know say the fight against JCF is real, boy, yeah. But when them do them little thing, yeah, me I tell you no, it no make no sense, me I tell you no. You coulda talk to the youth, yeah. You never had to broke him up, so. But I saw the thing go, boy, yeah, my people. So no walk with me, you know. See that Jamaican you wanna see on the screen. 27-year-old Rami Campbell. Dig off and take away himself, run through border. Say my go America if you go look better life. But what the better life? Eh? If you go rob, if you go thief, close for a mall, and get WUL in a Macy's. Now ice WUL him, and I plan for deport him back, boy, yeah. I tell you know. Say most of them boy you wanna say run through bad and talk about them a go America go look good life. Most of them no want no good life. When they never know that. Wanna think them the America do. I rob down the place. I thief down the place. I catch all boat. Can't get nowhere to stay. So see me, back in a Jamaica land for you, brother. You get your opportunity to go Uncle Sam country, and where you go do with it? Waste your time. So my people, walk with me again. See the elder you wanna see on the screen. 71-year-old Ms.WRIGHT, a janitor and a mother of 2. She come from Berwick Road, and the woman take up herself on Easter Monday. Say she got work on a crossroad and bus lick down the woman, me I tell you no. Till see it you now. Bag of people out there pass remarks and I say 71-year-old, she not supposed to retire already. Where she do take up herself, say she still at work. But you have to remember this. All if her pitney them tell her say she fi stop work and she reach the age of retirement now, she fi just stand her yard. You no think Ms.WRIGHT a got stand her yard? She still a go take up herself and go work. Cause I saw the elder them stay boy. Them no want sit down on no yard. Them no want nobody come and nothing and give them. Them want work for them things all the days of them life. So see here my viewers. The boy will lick her down, they will stop for see what him do to the woman. Him just keep it moving. So my condolences to Ms.WRIGHT. So no walk with me and all my people. But we see war is in the era, Spanglers. YIY killers them versus DRUGZ gun bag them. One bag of power struggle. Man a run down DONSHIP. My viewers, a youth you wanna see on the screen, a him name DRUGZ, you know. Dig off and take away himself, run through the border, say I go America for go look better life. But what kind of better life the youth them a run go foreign go look? Them nah look no better life, you know. Cause DRUGZ nah have a work, you know. A woman him live with a sponge pan in a big America, you know. And see it you get to youth. And no done this, you know. We can't even feed on you know. The only thing him know if you do a send a 50 and a 100 come go no phone go make step and YIY them, you know. So no can't stay there. Make man use you know and program you know. And when you no drop on no face. You know general can't even bury you know. See the next one here. YIY. Him get deport from America. Drop back boy. Zeke's son. And see it here. Nothing no change me I tell you no more viewers with the youth them. The youth them just get up every day. Walk around boy. Have some little crash dummy and gun bag behind them. Where them a program for fight war. For mash up the Spanglers community me I tell you no. And at the end of the day, none of them nah get out tight. Cause them nah fight for no diamond. Them nah fight for no gold. So them a run up and down and a pray them one another over. Power struggle. Every man want be done. No youth no want take no talk from no man again. And that's how the thing set boy. So as I say, war is in the era Spanglers. YIY versus DRUGZ. Them a plan for turn the community upside down. YIY a plan for use police and DRUGZ warrior them. DRUGZ are bringing all type of imported gun bag in the place. If you come mash up the place. Viewers, this a going from Wappy kill fill up. And it nah stop. The ghetto will always be the ghetto. And me I wonder when the ghetto people them a go wise up and push out enough of them boy out of the place. So my people, until next time, you know.
Hey, when them say China mean a blood clot for true, you know. Watch a big old tear on him shirt and him foot a walk on the ground. And I them make slippers and I them make clothes and everything. No, China man, you for go man.